Hello, EDL 583 students. This is Amy Garrett-Dickers. I'm the faculty member for this course. I wanted to take a few minutes to show you how I organize the course site and give you some insight into the way things will be working for the class as a whole. So you'll see every time you log in, the very first page you get gives you a little bit of the syllabus information at the top. So you can see that here. The full syllabus is available in the modules. I'll show you where that is in just a moment. You can see the link there to go directly to me if you need access to set up a one-on-one appointment. Then that takes you to my calendar and shows you my availability. The dates reminders here, which will also show up on the calendar as to when we're having synchronous sessions, our required text, and then the reminder that there are 4 required synchronous sessions by Zoom. I do expect you to attend all 4. So please make sure that you go ahead and put those on your calendar. There's basically 1 per module. You'll see here at the bottom as well your assignments as they're posted, and it tells you when they're due, the date, what they are. It gives you directly the link to that as well. So that's kind of the way the homepage is organized. I work in modules in my courses, and so if you go click on the modules link, you'll be taken directly to that page. You'll see at the very top an important course materials module where you'll find the full syllabus and the course schedule, and there will be a screen capture overview like this one of those 2 items as well. So you can hear my perspective and my explanation of those 2 as if we were face-to-face in a classroom or on Zoom. Module 1 is the first module. It was our introduction module. So the dates of this module are January 20th when class begins to January 29th. You'll see here every module for me starts with a read first module task list where I really work through and outline all the elements of the module itself, what I want you to do, what you're thinking about while you're doing those things, and the links to those specific assignments and the links to the readings. I also post those here. One of the things that online learning course design teaches us is that redundancies are important. So having multiple places for students to be able to access information is important. So you have it there in the module task list, which some students print out and have beside them. And then you also have all the links here. You'll see module 2, 3, the global explorations modules, which is basically module 4, and then digging deeper into global education, which is module 5. None of these have materials in them at the moment, but they will get populated with those as we get closer to those modules opening. One other element I think that's important for you to know about the course design as a whole. Over here on the left are the links that I think we'll use the most. So assignments, if you want to go directly to all your assignments, discussions to go to all the discussion boards, the syllabus, which is really the home page as well. Pages, so any individual page like this read first module, those are all listed there. Files, so those are files that I've uploaded like Word documents like the syllabus and the course schedule. People, so you can access and see who else is in the class and send messages there, and then of course your grades. If you find that there are other instructors who use different links here on the left that you would be helpful for you, just don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be happy to add those in. In the discussion boards, I just want to draw your attention to one more thing. I do have an Ask Your Question forum, and in that forum I ask if you have anything course specific that you think it would be beneficial for other people to hear my answer. Then please post that there. Also, if you have questions that are course specific that you really need a more timely response on, sometimes email gets buried in the middle of many things that I'm doing, but I turn the notifications on my phone for the Canvas app and should be able to respond more quickly when there's something that's posted in the Ask Your Question forum. So if a link isn't working, if the PDF didn't convert correctly, if you have questions about assignments that you'd like for me to do screen captures for, anything like that that you think would be helpful for other people to know, then please train yourself to use that Ask Your Question form. So again, welcome to the class. I look forward to working with you this semester, and there will be multiple more of these screen captures along the way because I find it's important to kind of have you hear me explain things as they have been created and what my thinking is behind those. So I look forward to working with you this semester.